So, do you like Halloween? I love Halloween, and because I choose this funny costume, yes, I am Amazonka cat. Yes, so also if you know the best name of this costume, please write this in comment. Yes, maybe I won't be maybe Cleopatra. So if you have some ideas about name about this costume, please write. Yes, so but right now we will do our trainings. Yes, I will teach you something new, something healthy, and today I want to teach you exercise which help you avoid back pain. Yes, so let's go. Go to the position table, yes, and we will right now work only our shoulders. How it works? So we breathe in, go up, yes, and breathe out, go down. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, cool. Right now we will do a circle by our shoulders. Maybe you can ask me, so you say about back pain relief and why we training shoulders? It's very simple, because everything connect, and if you have ache only this part, it doesn't matter. If you have this pain, you don't training only this part that avoid this pain. You should training whole your back. Yes, hold your back, hold this part, and actually legs too. So if you have pain in any part of your body, training the whole. Yes, gently training the whole your body. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and another. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, cool. So right now we will do the famous position cow and cat. Yes, so go. 1. Yes, close your hip. Yes, breathe in, close and open. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, cool. Compensation for your hands. And right now we will do position Cobra. So, step by step I will explain how we can do this exercise. So, from baby pose, we breathe in. Yes, you can see I close my hip, not open, close. Yes, and my weight I give you to hand. Yes, my hand take me. Also, I go down, my chest opening. Yes, not this, only this. Yes, I try put my stomach to the floor. Yes, you can see this. And after that, I breathe out, open my hip. Yes, broke my back and go down. Yes, so I think it's not difficult. So let's try. So 1, in. Breathe out. Okay, so 2. Breathe out. So 3. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, 4. Breathe out. 5. Breathe out. 6. Breathe out. 7. Breathe out. And so 8. And take this position, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so. Okay. Also compensation for your leg, actually. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Also up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And by sides. Take your back straight, please. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, guys, so my time is end. Yes, so thank you so much for doing this exercise with me. Also welcome that you choose my channel for educational stretching. Yes, and so if you have some feedback for me, write in comments this information. I'm waiting, always waiting about it. And so have a nice holiday and see you soon. Bye bye.